how to apply for monetization on YouTube. I'm on my iPhone and I'm going to use my YouTube Studio app, but if you are on a PC, you can use your YouTube Studio there as well. It's basically the same process. Inside the YouTube Studio, you want to tap or click Earn. And as you can see here, it's info on how you become a YouTube partner. The first milestone is to get to 500 subscribers and upload 3 videos the last 90 days, and have at least 3,000 watch hours the last 365 days, or have at least 3 million views the last 90 days. That's if you have shorts videos. And when you have done that, when you have reached that, you will be able to have memberships, paid membership in your YouTube channel, and you will be able to take donations from your viewers. It's actually a button beside your videos, and the viewers will be able to donate from there, and you can have your shopping products across your channel. And that's the first step for monetization. The next steps is to have ads on your video. Then you need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours the last 365 days, or 10 million shorts views. And when you have reached all of those milestones, you can tap the Apply Now button, and you will be able to apply for monetization on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.